The following affirmations are daily reminders of the energy, magnetism, abundance, and prosperity that exists within your being. Repeat these affirmations while standing in Wonder Woman pose, looking at yourself in the mirror 4 times each morning. The 4 repetitions symbolize the directional orientations: north, south, east, and west. I speak what I seek until I see what I say. I absolutely love, honor, and accept myself as I am right now. My thoughts, feelings, intuition, and experiences are aligned with Source to manifest my desires. I am cool, calm, confident, courageous, and collected. Every day, in every way, my life is better and better. When I ask, it is always given, because the universe always says yes. I am a dynamic, successful, and prosperous individual, always attracting, receiving, and embracing what I uniquely desire and deserve. I am healthy, slim, trim, flexible, sexy, and toned. I am now attracting, receiving, embracing, and investing all the money I desire and deserve easily and effortlessly. I am worthy and deserving of all that I desire. I am a magnet of prosperity. I was created from abundance. I am whole, perfect, complete, powerful, prosperous, loving, harmonious, healthy, happy, and rich. Support this community by subscribing to the channel and activating the notification bell to stay updated with every new video release.